Are you using Gemini in your Google Workspace domain? This would be your business domain. This is not relevant to gmail.com, which is free Google Workspace. If you're using Gemini in your business domain, whether you have Google Workspace Starter, Standard, Education, etc., there's something you need to know about Gemini. You cannot delete your chats. I have all these chats over here that I've had, and I thought, you know what, it's time for me to clean up with some of these because I got a bunch of clutter over there. But I can bring up one of my chats, and there's no way to delete this. There's 3 dots over here, and I can pin it or rename it. There's 3 dots over here. I can pin it or rename it, but there's no delete. Now, in conversations with Google Workspace support, they said go to the settings and click on activity, and you'll be able to delete it from there. Now, let's go find the one I was referring to. It almost makes a difference which one I'm referring to, but if I go down here to any one of these, there is no way to delete them. Details brings this information up, 3 dots, no delete. Details, scroll to the bottom, there's no delete. There is no delete in Gemini in Google Workspace. And then I went, I said, all right, maybe it's a domain problem. So I went to the domain, I went over to generative AI, I went to Gemini app, and under the Gemini app option, there's the ability for me to allow users to access the app. I got that on. I can Gemini convert conversation history. It's turned off. Its retention is 18 months. And then conversation sharing, none of that's relevant. But then I went over here to Gemini for Workspace and I found it. Conversation history and deletion. All right, exactly what I'm looking for. Manual deletion, it's on. Auto deletion, let the user choose. Here's the problem. It's March 22nd of 2026, and according to Google Workspace support, in free Gmail, you can delete chat by chat. In Google Workspace for business, education, government, etc., there is no deletion today. It is being rolled out. It's being beta tested, and it's being rolled out, so we have to be patient. So therefore, I offer to you, if you're using Google Workspace Gemini, be careful what you're asking it because it can't be deleted today. Patience is the word that I heard from my Google Workspace support guy, so I'm going to be patient. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and all I'm doing is sharing with you patience. It's coming.